All right, hello, it's Mr. Wallace again. We are in Algebra 1. This is Unit 3, Lesson 2. This is number 4 on page 8. The one before this we did actual equations, if you remember numbers 1, 2, and 3. Here we're going to be using function notation from a table, which actually is quite easier, I believe, than the actual equations. As long as we know kind of the function rules and everything, there's really not technically any math, any like calculations we have to do. We just have to match up our x values and our y values. All right. So here's how we do function notation from a table. This is just number 4. Here we go. Physics students drop a ball from the top of a building and they record. The table below models the height as a function of time in seconds. All right. So what basically this means is time is our seconds, and so after, at 0, which is at the very beginning, they're 100 feet up. That's how we can interpret this table. After 1 second, the ball is at 84 feet. So that means in 1 second, it fell 16 feet. All right, so that's how we do that. You can see after 2 seconds, it's down to 36 feet. So it's actually gaining acceleration. And when you guys are in physics one day, there's probably an equation to model that. But here's the data we have here. All we have to do, similar to what we did before with the equations, is that we have to know that numbers in the parentheses are the x values. Those are our input values. So we literally just match it all up. H of 0, 0 is my x. In a table, it's x comma y. And so all we do is we really look where x is 0. There's 0. What is the height? The height is, look at that, 100 feet. All right. So the answer is 100. 2, so that is my input of 2. So my x value of 2, well, I go to the table, there's 2. Then it's 36. See what I mean about we're technically not doing any math, we're just matching up the data and the function here. After 2.5 seconds, what is my y value? My y value is 0, which means 0 feet. So what this means is on a 100-foot tall building, if you drop a ball, it only took 2.5 seconds for it to reach the bottom. Right? Here we go, reverse. If you notice that here, my x values are not given, but my y values are. So it's literally the exact opposite of what I'm doing over here. I look at 96, and I can find it on my y value in my table, which is over here. What is my x value? Well, that is 0.5. What this means is that when the ball is at 96 feet, so it technically went down 4 feet, only half a second has passed. And then same here, h of t, if my y value is 0, well, where's my y value of 0? Y value of 0 is, right here. And the time was 2.5 seconds. So it's just, you're literally doing the opposites. Because see how these values are not in the parentheses, so these are my outputs, these are my y's. And that was number 4.